Hi there, students. Egregious, and an adverb, egregiously. Egregious is an adjective meaning very, very bad, outstandingly bad, noticeably bad, flagrantly bad. He made an egregious mistake. Yeah, a glaringly bad mistake. He's always telling egregious lies. Grievous, appalling, shocking, horrifying lies. The meal we had the other day was egregious. It was awful. It was one of the worst I'd ever had. Don't trust him. He is an egregious rogue. Really bad. The police egregiously flouted the law. Okay, so if something is egregious or egregiously, it's incredibly bad. Yeah? But notice this is really quite a formal word or quite a literary word. His egregious excuses anger me. Our egregious leaders don't seem to know what they're doing. Okay, what about the origin of this? Well, this word comes from Latin. Or ex grex. Ex out of, and grex, the flock, the group. So, outstanding. It's related to gregarious, like that. But in Latin, it means very good, outstanding, outstandingly good. And in the past, a long time ago, it used to have that meaning in English as well. And I think it still retains that meaning in Spanish and Italian. But in English, it's been twisted the other way round to mean the opposite. Maybe people started using it sarcastically, and that's how it turned to the opposite meaning. So the origin says outstandingly good, but nowadays it's outstandingly bad, the worst, the pits, absolutely terrible. Okay, so egregious. Notice as well, it's a formal word. You can't use egregious in a conversation in the pub. It's absolutely bloody terrible. It's bloody awful. It's appalling. Yeah? Egregious. It sounds literary. Use it semi-formally and formally. So, a few more examples and then I'll finish. The stuff that they show on TV nowadays is egregious. It's egregiously bad. The egregious pollution in our cities is making us all ill. The inequalities in this world are egregious and are so bad for many people. The egregious bad management by our politicians has led to this current situation. Maybe it's because of the egregious corruption. The state of our economy is egregiously bad due to having been locked down for a while. So, egregious, outstandingly bad, and a formal word. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope it wasn't egregious. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Egregious. Egregiously.